There's growing concern at the Meriden Humane Society.
That's right. The city is ordering the facility's operators to give up some of the space they're now using. News 8's Ken Pierce on the scene to explain the impact of that decision.
The Meriden Humane Society says this big room where animals are first brought in off the street is crucial to their operation, but the city of Meriden says they've got to get out of this room.
Animals come in, go out every single day out of this room. We use the dogs or the new dogs that come in. They need to be away from the other dogs. We can't have dogs mingling together if we don't know if they're carrying diseases.
She says the isolation room is needed, and the bad economy means the shelter's services have never been needed more. Foreclosures and layoffs have increased the number of animals dropped off, and the sluggish economy means fewer people are adopting. What is Meriden telling you they want the room for?
They're not giving me any reason at all, and that's something you'd have to discuss with them.
We did, and the city manager says the Humane Society never had permission to use this room. The shelter just took over the space. He also says the city has health and safety concerns about the storage of chemicals and food alongside all the animals in that room. He says the Humane Society is working on those issues. Of course, if you really want to help out, the best thing you can do is adopt one of the animals, if possible, because even with this entry room, things are still tight when it comes to space at the animal shelter. On the scene in Meriden, I'm Kent Pierce, News 8.